Tushar Babu will authenticate the things. We have to do mediate behavior and immediate behavior. That means you have to do your duty first and will never be actualized. And if we aspect the things in such a manner, we have to give focus on the thing of the legendary figure. Swami may be accepted as a matter of quality, but why there is a gradation? Why there is maturity based or maturity level gradation? Because there is quality. You know, simply quality is a customer satisfaction need. Quality as a matter of degree. Everything you can accept as a quality as a matter of degree. So we need quality people so that our mission of humanization will fix our spirituality. As a result, we will achieve the things because irrespective of everything, we need peace and harmony. Monotheism approach. The present society, may it be global village, nationally or internationally, we have to
who have sent in their abstracts, and this is a compendium of those abstracts.
Nationally or internationally, we have to check the things, the narrow feelings, the paradox, the thing, nepotism, the selfishness, or the conflict of interest, all these things we have to check it. For checking all these things, we have to maintain balance between our workability, our ethics, our spirituality. As a result, we will achieve the things. Individual peace will lead towards universal. Thank you so much. So in the same manner, when I conclude my speech, Jai Jagannath, Jai Bangla, Jai Hind. Have a great day ahead. I wish all the well-being, we grant successfulness of this seminar. Although we are organizing it in a hybrid mode, so we have to facilitate all the participants to have their paper presentation, enjoy the program, enjoy the learning first, and have a refinement of knowledge. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Again to the organizing team for organizing this program. Thank you.
With our brother, with our father, with our mother, with our supreme father, with our environment, we have lost our connectivity. We think that we are alone, and that is the reason why we are getting frustrated, disappointed. We are getting disappointed. Our Arjuna got disappointed when he thought that nothing around him. There is nothing around him. So friends, that is knowledge. Jnana mahijnanena sadusam pavitram yavidyate. Jnana doesn't mean that you have to master your curriculum properly. Master, even if you have not got or not taken from a university.
It's very, very ancient. It is coming down to us from the ancient Vedanta philosophy, and it has its impact, so much impact, even today. Just I'd like to tell the names of a few Western scientists who are profoundly influenced by Vedanta philosophy of Gita. Their works, their discoveries that shaped the modern world.
With a piece of art that he himself has made. Since they are outgoing students, they have